This is a love reading for you, Gemini, for the month of February for all of you who are single. In this reading, I'm going to take out cards to know what is the past you're coming from, how has it changed you, or what do you think of love now, what's coming your way in the present energy, how well are you receiving it, then what is the impression a potential partner gets about you when he or she meets you or dates you, who are you as a person. Then what is it that you should do away with and what you should work on or build on to find yourself a nice love connect? So let us see what is the guidance from tarot. Now please note that this is a general reading, so everything will not apply to all Gemini, and whatever may apply will vary in the intensity. So some of you are feeling very stuck in your situation, Gemini. It's looking as if everything that can go wrong, you feel it's going wrong, and that nothing is supporting you in finding true love. So you're feeling very restricted by your environment, or maybe the set of friends you have, or maybe the kind of work you do. You're feeling you're so fully either occupied by work timing, or maybe the situation itself is so dire that you're not able to find love. So right now, one thing you totally need to do is change your thought process a little, set yourself free, and start in believing that it is possible to find love. Right now, some of you are in totally a hopeless situation. You're feeling that you're not able to find love, maybe because of your situation, maybe because you have started, or maybe you have relocated to a new place, whatever that has happened. And it's quite possible for some of you, your ex is not leaving you. Yeah, maybe you feel that you are single or you're done with, but your ex has a lot of things to settle with you. He or she may be just interfering with how your present situation is right now. So I'm just saying that you are chained, and you're chained by force and you're being guarded. So either your situation is not setting you free, or you're not feeling very hopeful about your situation for whatever reason. I'm also seeing a lot of work pressure. So, Gemini, some of your troubles have to do with all the communication you do. So, maybe you either talk too much or you commit way more than you are able to handle, and then it creates the kind of stress or conflict that you don't want. So, some of you want to probably go easy with your communication as well. So, what is the past you are coming from, or how was your past love relationship? It looks like it was a very safe and cautious relationship you were in, and both of you more or less knew each other very well, or how the other person is going to react or behave. So, I'm just saying for some of you, the relationship just came to an end purely because you did not take it forward, or you did not bring something new to the relationship. For some of you, relationship ended because of a stalemate, and right now it's looking like you're not sure what kind of a partner you should be looking for, and you're not feeling very free in your situation to find love. So what's coming your way in the present energy? I am seeing there is a very steady and a beautiful love energy which is coming along, and it's not just attention or attraction which is coming from just one direction. I'm just seeing a lot of love opportunities coming your way. Maybe there are a lot of people who like to get to know you, they like to talk to you, but your cards are of someone who's just, you see, when this new love energy is coming, instead of receiving it, this man is sleeping, and there are just so many swords. So you are either too fearful of what is coming your way, so you need to be little bit more light-hearted, Gemini, to receive this love energy. Yeah, you cannot go so scared and fearful of what else can come, how much more stress can come along should you choose to go with this love energy. I'm also seeing that a potential partner who's coming now, or you may probably get introduction with, maybe someone, or you may have already met also, maybe someone who travels a lot. So he or she may have a lot of traveling as a part of their either work situation, or probably he or she may be a very avid traveler. So every now and then, this person may just love to travel. That's how I'm seeing the guidance. So, what is the impression a potential partner gets about you, Gemini? You come across as someone who's not made peace with the past and you're still reeling from the after effects. So, the truth may not be that. So, the impression which is coming across is that you're suffering because of what has happened in the past. But I'm just saying that in the past, nothing really happened which was so damaging, but it's your work situation which you are probably overplaying, and the sheer lack of faith that you can find someone good or true love. So some of you Gemini just need to practice a bit of calm and peace, and then connect with yourself and look for love. You don't want to go looking for a partner or trying to get into or find into a be in a love relationship when you're feeling so amazingly stressed out and somewhere you feel your situation is not supporting you. Either you learn to work with this devil, or you should try hard enough to change your situation, which is maybe it is someone who's just bothering you unnecessarily, or maybe it is some money problem. So, everything can be won over, but there should be a enough faith that you have in yourself that you want to change your situation. Right now, I'm seeing that you are slightly in a victim mentality. So, the impression a potential partner is getting is that you have had a very tough past and you're not able to move on. The truth is, past was not abusive. So, your past or ex was probably the breakup or splitting up happened because of some stalemate or the relationship not moving anywhere. So I am just saying that this situation of helplessness may be coming more from your job situation or just not being able to find a little bit free time to devote to yourself, or maybe your external situation is hurting you. I'm seeing someone trying to bully you also, yeah, unnecessarily trying to dominate or bully you. So it is time to ask for help, Gemini. If you feel that you yourself cannot help your situation, ask for help. Yeah, it's difficult for this two people to fight the devil, but you can always call out for help. So you can always take some help and your situation could improve slightly, but your impression is not going good. So a lot of potential partner or interest is not getting a good impression. He or she feels that you're just stuck in your situation, and even though you are free to move on, you're refusing to move on. So a lot of people may be getting turned off because all you talk about is your stress and conflict. Yeah, there is no lighter side which I'm seeing in you. But the good part is, when I see what is it that you should work on or build on to find yourself a love connect, guidance is of an empress. Start to dress up well, Gemini. First of all, focus on how you look and dress, and do your, take care of your appearance and do that little effort that goes the long way. And don't dress up casually or don't talk in a very loose language. You want to come across as someone very crisp and sharp. So, there is the energy of Empress waiting for you. It is telling you to build on this energy, which is someone who feels very secure, who feels well provided for. Yeah. So some of you just need to change your thought process, get out of this victim mentality, and you seem to be giving a bad impression also about yourself to a potential partner. Yeah. So I'm seeing that right now you have four swords which you are dealing with, but the impression you are giving is that you're dealing with eight swords, which means you're dealing with something double the pain or double the sadness. That is the impression which is coming along. So you don't want to overdo this energy of having been betrayed or let down. It's time to move on. Who are you as a person? Well, you are someone very passionate, Gemini. If you want it, you're going to give your heart and soul, and you're totally going to go all out to make it happen. So sometimes it's possible with this energy, a person tends to frustrate themselves because they want it so badly. Yeah. So you don't want to frustrate yourself, Gemini. The horse can only run so fast and you can only get to a place or make things happen only so quickly. And after that you have to accept the certain time lapse that may happen. So some of you may be unduly adding stress or hopelessness to your situation purely because you are in an amazing hurry. So some of you need to slow down also. So maybe if you want love to work out, the energy is not that you should go very fast about it. Just go very calm and collected and have peace in your heart. And what is it that you should do away with? Stop worrying day in, day out. Yeah, worries are going to do nothing and it's going to steal your present from you. So you just want to live in the moment and start to look good, dress good, and start to do things that you love to probably want to do. Maybe go for some nature walks, go to that movie, go out with friends, whatever that you love to do. Yeah. So it's time to come out of not caring for yourself to giving attention to each and every detail about yourself. And love should happen very quickly. This is the energy of pregnancy also. Some of you will be surprised that you have got pregnant. I'm just seeing a surprise pregnancy also for some of you, Gemini. So overall cards are good, and just change your thought process. It's all looking like it will work out very well for you. So this was your reading, Gemini, all of you who are single for the month of February.